Namaste dear children, welcome to class 4 social studies subject. In the previous class I have started the lesson 11th lesson water resources, and in that I have discussed canals, regarding canals, and today I will discuss about wells. Page number 66. See here, wells. When it rains, some of the water seeps through the soil and reaches below the ground. We can take out this underground water through wells. When it rains, what is the rain? Rain is the main source of water. Okay, now where do we get water? Not from rivers, not from seas, but from rains. When rain comes, then our dams will fulfilled, and through those dams we will collect water. The supply of water can be done through the water in the dams. So for those dams or rivers, where is the water source? Once again is rain. Okay, this is about what happens after rains. Now, after falling of rain, what will happen? When it rains, some of the water seeps through the soil and reaches the below ground. Seeps, seepage water. ಇಂಗು ಹೋಗೋದು, ಇಂಗಿ ಬಿಡೋದು. ಮಳೆ ನೀರು, ಭೂಮಿಯ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದ ಮಳೆ ನೀರು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇಂಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೀಪೇಜ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಗು ಹೋಗೋದು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಆಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ವೆನ್ ರೇನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್, ವೆನ್ ದ ರೇನ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ಸ್ falls on the ground, it won't flow to the other places. It first absorbs by the soil, and those soil, what it makes, seeps. Water seeps through the soil and reaches the below ground. Second sentence, we can take out this underground water through wells. However, water is stored in underground. It is a natural phenomena. We don't do anything here. When rain comes, it seeps through the soil and reaches the ground, and water is collected there. When we need water, we can take out this water. Next para. In villages, well water is used for domestic needs and agriculture. In villages, well water. Well means, actually wells means bavigalu. Okay na? Wells means bavigalu. Well means bavi. In villages, ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ well water is used for domestic needs and agriculture. Domestic needs, ಗೃಹ ಬಳಕೆ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ನೀರನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಡೊಮೆಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್. ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್, ಕೃಷಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀರನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಈ ಥರದ ನೀರನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಭೂಮಿಯ ಆಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನೀರು, ಭೂಮಿಯ ಒಳಗಿರುವ ನೀರು, ಅಂಡರ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ವಾಟರ್. ವಾಟರ್ which is not very deep is drawn up with the help of a rahat or a Persian wheel. What is a rahat or Persian wheel? I can't explain this one. It takes a lot of description. So I searched one video regarding this Persian wheel or Rahat, I will send soon after this video to your group. Look at that video and you will come to know what is Persian wheel or Rahat is. Next page. I will go to the next page now. 67th page. Okay. See this picture. People pulling water from a well. See, for them, tap water is not available in those villages, in these villages particularly. There is no tap water. Then we need water. We need water to drink. We need water to boil food or make food. We need water to wash our clothes. We need water. Water is very essential commodity. We need water. It is the first preference. We need to give first preference. That is why we praise water god, Ganga Mata. Water is a very useful commodity. We praise it because when we praise, we use very carefully. Okay, now we won't waste water. When we are start seeing God in the water, then we won't waste water. That is our culture, Indian culture. That is very scientific also. Okay, see, in some villages they don't have water facility like we have in the cities. City people are fortunate people, but not village people are not unfortunate peoples, but they are hard workers. Villagers are hard workers because they need to fetch water from the wells. See what this is happening here. So we need to save water. Okay, na? That is what this chapter is about. Water resources. We need to save water. Why? Because there are so many problems if we want to save water. Okay. Next point. Sometimes the underground water is very deep. When it is not deep, not very deep, we can take out water through Persian wheel or Rahat. When it is very deep, how can you take out that water? In such case, a deep bore is dug with the help of a drilling machine. Drilling machine, borewell machine it is, drilling machine. What it makes? It dug the ground, okay na? Soil. It dug the soil. A deep bore is dug with the help of a drilling machine. Next point. Tubes are sunk into these bores. Tubes. ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಆ ಬೋರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಕ್ ಇಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ, ಆಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಸಂಕ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮುಳುಗಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಭೂಮಿಯ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಆ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಏನು ಬೋರ್ ಕೊರೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ರಂಧ್ರ ಕೊರೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ರಂಧ್ರದ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪೈಪ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಇಳಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಆ ಪೈಪಿಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಸ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್, ನಾಟ್ ಪೈಪ್. But in general we call it as pipe. But here in the textbook, tubes. Okay, tubes are sunk into these bores. Water is brought up with the help of a pump run by electricity. This is very common now in every villagers. Farmers are started turning towards electricity pump. When electricity comes, then they switch on the pump and it will take out the water from the underground. That is very easy by just pressing the button, green button, it starts electricity. They use electricity, and through the electricity pump, the water it pumps out. Okay, the pump pumps out the water. When it happens, when the underground water is very deep, and farmers, no doubt they use for the growing crops only, but there is a waste of water, much waste we can see through these bore wells, and for that reason, irrigation, in conserving water in the irrigation, drip irrigation is invented nowadays. Not nowadays, it is long ago. Drip irrigation is started in agriculture sector. Drip irrigation preserves the water, and how much water is essential, only that much water we can drag out or take out, and we can save water. That is one more technology. Such wells are called tube wells. These are called tube wells. ಆ ಥರ ನೀರನ್ನು ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಸಿಟಿ ಪಂಪಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗೆಯುವಂಥ ವೆಲ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾಟ್ ಬಿಗ್ ದೇ ಆರ್. ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಒನ್. ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವೆಲ್ಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾ. ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವೆಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎ ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್, especially in the northern plains. Tube wells are very ಪಾಪ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್. ಈ ನೀರಾವರಿಯಲ್ಲಿನೇ ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ವಿಧಾನ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವೆಲ್ಸ್. ಈ ಬೋರ್ವೆಲ್ ಅಥವಾ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ವೆಲ್ಲಿನ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನೀರನ್ನು ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅದೇ ಭಾಳ ಮಹತ್ತರವಾದದ್ದು. ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪ್ರದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ? ಇನ್ ನಾರ್ದರ್ನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ these tube wells are very popular. Next point, they are very common in Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab. These three states, Uttar Pradesh state, Haryana state, Punjab state, they use tube wells much more, and it is popular in these three states. And this is the map of means of irrigation. India means of irrigation, canal, tank, well, tube well. These are means of irrigation. These are symbols. See, green color is for canal. See this green color. This northern plains area is covered with the green color, and some parts here, Andhra Pradesh state, and some Tamil Nadu state, and in Karnataka state. Here also Karnataka, and some parts of Maharashtra includes. Here Tamil Nadu. Okay. These parts are covered with canals. Means canals are there. Which area is covered with green color, and second color is little orange color. It is not dark orange, light orange color. Tank it is. Where okay, tank, we will come to know tank in the next topic in this chapter only. Next topic, tanks. In this today's class I dealt with the well. This part is having tanks. What are tanks? What are those? We will come to know in the next class. I am not going to do that one now. This area is covered with the tanks. And what is a round shape symbol is for well. This is a well. round shape symbol. See wherever round shape symbols are there, black round shape, there wells are there. Just dot here, but that means more wells are there in that particular area, we can see. And next point is tube well. Last one is tube well, a triangular shape, right angle triangle shape, that is tube well. See where are tube wells are more. See in Tamil Nadu only one symbol, in Andhra Pradesh state two symbols, and here West Bengal, nearby West Bengal states have little marks, symbols of tube well, but whereas see in the northern plains, see how many tube wells are there more, and in Haryana and Punjab tube wells are more. In Rajasthan 2 to 4 tube well symbols are there, but more in Uttar Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab state. This is the map of means of irrigation in India. We will come to know what is tanks in the next class. Dear children, take care of yourself, read this chapter and watch the video Persian wheel, regarding Persian wheel. And I have sent one more video of a national park, floating national park, and watch that video too. Take care of yourself children, be happy, be safe in your home. Dhanyavad.